Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about DSers and whether or not it automatically fulfills Shopify orders. I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. So, let's get started. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress. This means that you can sell products on your Shopify store without having to stock any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, DSers will automatically place an order on AliExpress for the same product. AliExpress will then ship the product directly to your customer. How does DSers work? DSers works by connecting your Shopify store to your AliExpress account. Once you have connected your accounts, you can start importing products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. When you import a product from AliExpress, DSers will create a new product listing on your Shopify store. This product listing will include all of the information from the AliExpress product page, such as the product name, description, images, and price. Once you have imported a product to your Shopify store, you can start selling it to your customers. When a customer places an order for a product, DSers will automatically place an order on AliExpress for the same product. AliExpress will then ship the product directly to your customer. Does DSers automatically fulfill Shopify orders? Yes, DSers automatically fulfills Shopify orders. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, DSers will automatically place an order on AliExpress for the same product. AliExpress will then ship the product directly to your customer. What are the benefits of using DSers? There are a number of benefits to using DSers. Here are a few of the most important. No inventory. You don't have to stock any inventory yourself, so you don't have to worry about carrying any costs associated with inventory. Low overhead. DSers is a free app, so there are no monthly or annual fees to use it. Easy to use. DSers is very easy to use, even if you have no experience with dropshipping. Wide range of products. DSers has access to millions of products from AliExpress, so you can find almost anything you want to sell. Fast shipping. AliExpress offers a variety of shipping options, so you can choose the shipping method that is best for your customers. What are the drawbacks of using DSers? There are also a few drawbacks to using DSers. Here are a few of the most important. Profit margins. Because you are not buying products directly from the manufacturer, your profit margins will be lower than if you were to source products yourself. Customer service. If you have any problems with your DSers orders, you will need to contact AliExpress customer service. Shipping times. Shipping times from AliExpress can vary depending on the product and the shipping method that you choose. Is DSers worth it? Whether or not DSers is worth it for you will depend on your individual circumstances. If you are looking for an easy and affordable way to start a dropshipping business, then DSers is a good option. However, if you are looking for a way to make a lot of money, then DSers may not be the right choice for you. DSers is a great tool for automating the fulfillment of Shopify orders. It is easy to use, affordable, and offers a wide range of products. However, there are also some drawbacks to using DSers, such as lower profit margins and longer shipping times. Ultimately, whether or not DSers is worth it for you will depend on your individual needs and goals. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using DSers. Choose the right products to sell. Not all products are suitable for dropshipping. When choosing products to sell, make sure that they are in high demand and have low shipping costs. Set realistic expectations. It is important to set realistic expectations for your DSers business. It is unlikely that you will make a lot of money overnight. Provide excellent customer service. Good customer service is essential for any business, and this is especially true for dropshipping businesses. Make sure that you are always available to answer your customers' questions and resolve any issues that they may have. Stay up to date on the latest trends. The dropshipping industry is constantly changing. Make sure that you are staying up to date on the latest trends so that you can stay ahead of the competition. Thank you for watching.